Yes, I am. They say you a superstar now, damn. I guess I am. You might be the man, well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay, cool. You want sunset? I'm about to slide, okay. I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time I get around my family. Making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this house is mine. Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fine. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in.
My favorite hits. Favorite station 99.7 now. Number one for all the hits. And Big Bay Mornings.
wouldn't fall for her touch, but I'm thinking of the way you are. Said I'm fine, said I move on. I'm only here 'cause you turned in my arms, hoping to find.
His name is Joji. That is Glimpse of Us at 99.7 now, number one for all the hits and Big Bang.
How are you supposed to drive?
October 31st, and you won't want to miss the Spellabration.
Visit 997now.com to see how you can win 2-day, 1 park per day Disneyland Resort tickets.
Offering subject to capacity, restrictions, and change without notice.
Experience the magic at Frozen, Disney's latest hit Broadway musical. From the producer of The Lion King comes the show critics are calling a serious mega hit. Frozen is a can't-miss Broadway event.
Performances begin November 18th at the Orpheum Theater. Get tickets at BroadwaySF.com.
My cancer coming back fast, but Dr. Hayes responded even faster with innovative new treatments, helping.
This being told longer works, then spending 30 days in Sutter's cardiovascular intensive care unit before finally.
Family and I will be taken care of, no matter who we are or who we love.
It's big and small. Sutter Health. Find a doctor at sutterhealth.org.
I've always gotten tons of UTIs. Cranberry products never worked for me, and I was desperate for a way to be proactive. I'm Jenna Ryan, CEO and founder of Eucora. We've worked with doctors to develop effective urinary tract health products. Just mix a packet of Eucora with water and drink it when you need support, like right after intimacy. Women stay healthy. Ready to join them? Get 30% off at eucora.com/radio. That's UQORA.com/radio.
If you're hurt in an accident, don't just hire anyone. Get the care you need and money you deserve with Sweet James Accident Attorneys. Voted best attorneys in America. Pay nothing until they win. Call 800-500-5200 or sweetjames.com.
St. John here at 99.7. Just how fast is Xfinity Internet with supersonic Wi-Fi? Well, it's really fast, like beyond gig speed fast. At once. That way, the whole family can game, stream, or work all at the same time. Now that is power. Get the Xfinity Supersonic Bundle with unlimited gig speed internet, Wi-Fi equipment included, and a free 4K streaming box, all for $50 a month with a 2-year internet rate guarantee, and no annual contract when you add Xfinity Mobile with unlimited data at regular rates. Go to xfinity.com/gig, call 1-800-XFINITY or visit the store today. Limited time offer, restrictions apply, requires paperless billing and autopay. New gigabit extra internet customers only, taxes and fees extra and subject to change. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity internet, reduced speeds after 20 gigabytes of wireless usage. After 24 months, regular rate supply requires compatible Xfinity gateway.
A stranger gun fires on 2 teens, shattering lives. But that's only the beginning of this story. Listen to The Letter at theletterpodcast.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
99.7 now. Number one for all the hits.
Not much space in there, but... I can do that, so that's good. Oh.